Namaste and welcome to lecture 7 of decimals. We will continue with some problems of addition and subtraction both. So first sum is, what should be added to 3.189 to get 7? Here it is asked us that there is a number which is added to 3.189. So the answer we get is 7, but we have to find that number. See. So what is the solution? How will you do it? Suppose the number which is added to 3.189 is, say, x. Okay, then we get answer as 7. So we can write it as 3.189 and the number, but the number here we have supposed as x. So plus x is equal to 7 because the answer we get is 7. Now we need to find this number. Okay, here x is nothing but a number which we are finding. So what will we do? We can take this 3.189 on the other side of the equal to sign. Because this is a positive number, it will become minus. That is, it will become negative after going on the other side. So we can write x equal to 7 minus 3.189. Now how will we subtract this? Because these both numbers are unlike. We'll convert them into like decimals. So 7.12 and 3 zeros, because here we have got 3 digits after the decimal point. Now let me place this number 3.189 here. So 9, 8, 1, decimal point and 3. Now here we have to subtract, but there are 3 zeros, so I'll just borrow from 7. We'll make this 6. This will become 10, but because here this 0 also we will have, so this will become 9. Again this will become 9 and this will become 10 because we are borrowing from this 0 to this 0 and then this 0 to this 0. So 10 will become 9 here. Again 10 will become 9 here and this will become 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, so 811 and a decimal point and 3. So this is the number. So the answer is 3.811. Here what do we get? Let me write first that we got x is equal to 3.811. Now we will write the answer that the number 3.811 is added to 3.189 to get 7. Let us just check whether we add these two numbers and are we getting the answer 7. So let us check. Let us add 3.811 plus 981, a decimal point and 3. 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 here. This is 9 plus 1, 10, 1, again 10, 1, decimal point and 7. So our answer is correct. We got 7. So the answer is correct. Okay. Let us take another sum. That is, what should be added to the difference of 3.14 and 1.674 to get 9. So the meaning of this statement, what is the sum telling us? That we have to add, that is a number, we will suppose a number and that number should be added to the difference of 3.14 and 1.674, where we get 9. Okay, so first what will we do? We will suppose the number to be added is x. Now see, here it is said that x should be added to 3.14 and 1.674's difference. So we will get 9. So meaning of this is 3.14 difference is nothing but subtraction minus 1.674. Here we have to add x to get the answer 9. Now here first we will subtract these two digits. So let us subtract it. 3.14 and 0. Why? Because these were unlike decimals. I have converted into the like decimals. Now we will write the smaller number here, 4, 7, 6, a decimal point and 1. Here this will become 3 and this will become 10 because we cannot subtract 4 from 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. We cannot subtract 7 from 3. So let us take from 1, borrow from 1. So this will become 13 and 13. So this is 13 minus 7, which is 6. 0 minus 6, not possible. So this will become 2 and this will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. A decimal point, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we will write this 1.466 here. Okay, so let me write 1.466 plus x is equal to 9. Now we will take this number on the other side of the equal to sign. Here this is the positive number, so it will become negative. So x will be equal to 9 minus 1.466. Let us subtract, let us make it like numbers. Both the numbers should be like decimals. So I will write 9.000 minus 1.466. Now we will arrange them vertically. 9.000 minus 664.1. Now this is very easy. Borrow from 9 directly. This will become 9, 9 and 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. A decimal point and 7. So what we have to add to the difference of the two numbers? 7.534. So we will write that the number 7.534 should be added to the difference. Okay, so let us do the third sum. That by how much is the sum of 14.28 and 11.219 greater than their difference. Now this is a different kind of sum. Here it is telling us that by how much is the sum of these two. That is, when we add these two, the answer which we get is greater than their difference. Okay, so first I need to add and then I need to subtract also. So the solution is, let us add them. Now here 14.28 plus 11.219. These are 2 digits, these are 3 digits. So unlike decimals, convert them into like decimals. 14.280 plus 11.219. Now let us add. So we'll first put it vertically so we'll not make mistake. Okay, plus 912.11. This is nothing but 994 decimal point 5 and 2. Now this is their addition. We also want their difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction. So let me subtract also first. Okay. Now, so what will I do? 14, that's 14.280 minus 11.219. Okay. So here this will become 7 and 10. So 1, 6, 0. Decimal point here 4 minus 1 is 3 and this is 0. Now what will we do? We will subtract 3.061 from 25.499 to get the greater. Then only you will get greater. Yes, that by how much it is greater. Okay, so to find the number greater than their difference, what will we do? We will subtract this number and this number. So let me write 25.499 minus 160.3. Okay. So 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 3, 2 and 2. So their sum is greater than their difference by 22.438. So here the answer is that their sum is greater than their difference by 22.438. Okay. Now next sum, that is by how much is the difference of 604 and 406.064 less than their sum. Okay, again the same question but asked in a different way. By how much is the difference of this is less than their sum? Okay, the other was greater and this is less than. So first we will subtract them. The difference it is asked. So let me subtract 604 minus 406.064. But these are the unlike decimals, so convert them into like decimals. 604.000 minus 406.064. Place them vertically. 604.000, subtract it. So 4, 6, 0, decimal point 6, 0 and 4. Now here we'll directly borrow from 4. This will become 3, 9, 9 and 10. This is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 0 is 9. And here again we cannot subtract this 6 from 3. So what will we do? We will borrow from, first we will borrow from 6. So this will become 5. Again this will become 9 and this will become 13. 13 minus 6 is 7, 9, 1. We got some number. Now 197. First what will we do now? Their sum. So let us add both the numbers. So here I'll write 604.000 plus 406.064. This will be 460 decimal point 0 1 here 1. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now what will we do? We will subtract 197.936 from this 1010.064. So let us subtract, because we want less than that sum. So again we have to do the same. So 1010.064 minus 639.79 and 1. This is 514. Okay, so 8, 2, this is 0, 9, 10, 1 here, 9 minus 7 is 2, 0 minus 9 we can't do, 0, 9, again 10, 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8. So 8.812.128. So the sum is, by how much is the difference of the given two numbers less than their sum? Okay, so the difference, we can write the answer as that the difference is less by 812.128 than their sum. Okay, so this way you have to do this kind of sums. Please practice them, do again and again, then only you will be able to do more sums. Once you understand the concept, then only we can do more sums. So I end my lecture over here. Thank you very much, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel.